To start off our Freddy-inspired look, I am taking the Mehron Tricolor Cream palette and using the bright red to outline a blueprint of where I want the peaks and hollows of my burn marks. Next, I will be using Mehron's 3D gel that I heated up to a liquid form. Before applying to your face, do a quick patch test. Using my previous outlines as a guide, I layer the 3D gel throughout, creating high and low points. Once the 3D gel has solidified, I dived back into the Mehron's Tricolor palette, using the bright red to fill in each hollow area. To intensify the 3D effect, I used the dark red and black cream colors around the perimeter of each indent, as well as around my eyes for a more sunken-in appearance. Finally, apply a hefty amount of Mehron's translucent color set powder using a powder puff to remove any tackiness. Then, dust off excess powder. I'll catch you later. In your dreams.